Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Birthday Cheer stamp set. Now, Sarah Fleming from Prepare to Die Paper Crafts and I got together and we have an online class featuring this birthday cheer bundle. I'll put the link in the description bar and you can check it out at your leisure. It's coming out March 1st. So I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock. Here's the stamping weight. And I am, first of all, I treated it with my embossing buddy. Now I'm stamping randomly the birthday present and the cupcake with Versamark ink, which is a clear sticky ink that will hold on to the embossing powder when I sprinkle it on. I also think I included, yes, the sprinkles here too. You don't really get to see much of them in the card design, but it was nice to fill out the space. So here I am sprinkling the white embossing powder. When I am using Whisper White Thin, I usually heat it from behind because it's a thin piece of cardstock and it's just a preference of mine. Okay, so I have Pineapple Punch, Granny Apple Green, and Coastal Cabana here. And these are the colors that I am sponging on. And I started with the pineapple on one side and then the Coastal Cabana on the other side and then Granny Green Apple in the middle to blend. And this is called Emboss Resist. So the stamped images that have the embossing on it will resist the ink. When you sort of buff everything off at the end, the white embossed part will come through. So I'm taking this whole piece of card, stamped and embossed, and putting lots of adhesive on the back. And then I'm just adhering it straight on a Whisper White thick card base. So now I have a piece, just a basic black piece of card that I used with the bundle, the dies, the Detail Birthday Edgelit dies, and I'm embossing for your birthday, so it's the greeting. And because it's a thicker cardstock, I'm heat embossing from the front. And now I've put it on with dimensionals on some vellum, and I'm just fussy cutting the vellum around the shape so that it looks like it was supposed to be there. And I don't know if you can see, but on my card, I have a piece of cardstock that is 5.5 by 2 inches, and then 5.5 by 3/4 of an inch. I just measured it there. So those pieces are going to be put on the card, and the stamped and sponged pieces are going to be recessed. And I saw this particular design similar. I can't remember where I saw it, but I saw a girl do this and I thought it was phenomenal that she just took a pen and doodled. She doodled on the line, and I just thought, wow, you know, like, why didn't I think of that? So it's not my design, but I do love this idea. So this is just a basic black marker. It's an ink marker, and I'm just sort of drawing a squiggly line, and then I add a couple of dots, and then I do a little curly Q, and then a couple of dots, and then, you know, it's like a scribbling. I really like this, actually. I might be doing it more often. It just added to the design. It's not so plain. And now I can see the pieces that I'm putting on. They just added a lovely little border. It was a really nice finishing technique. So here are my 2 pieces, and then my vellum piece here. I've put dimensionals all over that and putting that right in the center of the card, or sorry, the bottom center. And then I am going to add a little black bow here, just with a glue dot. And that is my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.